Sampling methods. Sampling is the process by which inference is made to the whole by examining the part. Let's look at this pizza. One section of it is separated from the rest, and that is the piece we're going to examine. By looking at it, we see that this slice has 3 pieces of pepperoni on it. So, like good statisticians, we are going to make an inference and say that all other slices, which will be the same size, will have 3 slices of pepperoni on it. It is important that we use the correct sampling methods so that the sampling units we choose will give us accurate data. Accurate estimates have to be taken so that margins of uncertainty don't arise from only sampling a part and not the whole. For example, it is unrealistic to ask that every person respond to a survey, thus few people are chosen to represent the whole of the population by taking the survey. 2 most basic sampling methods. Simple random sample. Each item of the data, or population, has the same chance of being selected. So let's say we put 200 numbers in a hat, and each number belongs to a student. The numbers are randomly placed into the hat, and 20 numbers are chosen. These 20 students would get free tuition to any college. Woohoo! Systematic random sample. It is a sample that includes selecting individuals systematically for a sample frame. Some examples include 300 students being randomly chosen to talk about their chocolate bar preferences, and 10% of them are chosen. In another scenario, we could choose every 5th person in a group of 30 to participate in a survey about their preferences of PCs or Macs. Populations. A population is a group of people who have something in common, such as people who grow apples in Peru, cat owners, or teenage girls with iPhones. Here is some statistics terminology that will be very useful. A parameter is a characteristic of a population, while a statistic is a characteristic of a sample. Problems with sampling. Although sampling is very accurate, errors still occur. Most errors occur with a small sample size, and thus there is a greater chance for error. And sampling may also not be feasible for problems that require very high accuracy, as sampling is a form of measure that usually requires numbers somewhere in the ballpark and that aren't always exact.